Hi kids, I'm Miss Joanna. Welcome to our storytelling session. It's story time. It's story time. Look, listen. Wow! And today's story is about giraffes. And before we start reading the story, I'm going to give you some important information about the giraffe. Giraffes are found in the dry savannas of Africa. They are well known for their long necks. These gentle giants are the world's tallest living land animals. Their excellent eyesight allows them to spot hungry beasts from far away. Giraffes only eat plants. They spend most of their time eating. Giraffes are very social animals and roam around in groups. In the wild, these beautiful creatures live for around 25 years. But did you know that in captivity they live longer and have been known to reach even 40 years old? I didn't know that. Now let's go to our book. Our book is titled Giraffes Can't Dance. And this book is written by Giles Andreae and illustrated by Guy Parker-Rees. Now I have an activity for you, and the activity is about Gerald, the giraffe, and his character traits. Now his character traits changed from the beginning of the story to the end of the story. Now this is your task. I'm going to give you these adjectives and you're going to write them in the right column. Now, I will tell you, for example, clumsy. When was he clumsy? In the beginning of the story, or shall I write it at the end of the story? I will do the first one for you. Clumsy, Gerald was in the beginning, before he knew how to dance to the music he loved. Now I will read the rest and you will put them in the right column. I will read them more than once. Let me start. So clumsy, we said, goes in the beginning of the story. Then we have confident. Confident. When do you think Gerald was confident? In the beginning or in the end of the story? Sensitive. Brave. Proud. When did he feel proud? Kind. Timid. Timid. And determined. Determined. Let me read them out again. So the first one was clumsy, confident, sensitive, brave, proud, kind, timid, determined. Now when you finish this activity, send it to our page. I hope you enjoyed today's story. Bye!